Hey everyone! Welcome back to Practice English Hub. Today's video is all about one of the most common real-life situations in English, eating out at a restaurant. We have 120 essential shadowing sentences for you, from making a reservation, ordering your food, handling complaints, all the way to paying the bill and saying goodbye. Here's how to use this video. Listen to each sentence first. Then repeat it out loud during the pause. Try to match my rhythm, my stress, and my intonation as closely as you can. That's the power of shadowing. Ready? Let's go.
Part 1. Making a reservation.
I'd like to make a reservation for 2, please.
Do you have a table available for Saturday evening? We'd like a table for 4 at 7 o'clock. Can I book a window seat, if possible? What's the earliest time you have available? Under what name should I make the reservation? I'd like to cancel my reservation for tonight. Could you put us on the waiting list? We have a reservation under Smith for 8 o'clock. Is there a dress code at this restaurant? Do you accept walk-ins, or is it reservation only? I'd like to change my reservation to 7:30 instead. We're celebrating a birthday. Can you arrange something special? Could we have a table away from the kitchen, please? We might be about 10 minutes late. Is that okay? Part 2. Arriving and being seated. Good evening. Do you have a reservation? Yes, we have a reservation under Johnson. No, we don't have a reservation. Is there a table for 3? Would you like to sit inside or on the terrace? We'd prefer to sit outside if you have room. Right this way, please. Your table is ready. Can we have a booth instead of a regular table? Could we sit somewhere quieter? It's quite loud here. We're waiting for 2 more people to join us. Do you have a high chair for the baby? How long is the wait, approximately? This table is perfect. Thank you. Excuse me, could we move to a different table? We'd like a table that's accessible for a wheelchair. Can I leave my coat at the cloakroom? Part 3. Ordering food and drinks. Are you ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes? I'll have the grilled salmon, please. What do you recommend as a starter? What's the soup of the day? Could I see the dessert menu, please? Does this dish come with a side salad? Can I substitute the fries for a salad? I'd like the steak medium rare, please. We'll start with 2 glasses of sparkling water. Can we share one starter between us? What's in the chef's special today? I'll have the same as my friend. Could you bring our drinks first, please? Is there a set menu available today? We're not quite ready yet. Could you give us 5 more minutes? I'd like to order a bottle of house wine. Can you tell me how this dish is prepared? I'd like the pasta, but without the cheese, please. Actually, I've changed my mind. I'll have the risotto instead. Do you have any non-alcoholic cocktails? Part 4. Dietary needs and allergies. I'm allergic to shellfish. Is there any in this dish? Do you have any vegetarian options? Is this dish gluten-free? I'm lactose intolerant. Can you prepare this without dairy? Does this sauce contain any nuts? I'm vegan. What would you recommend? Can you prepare this without onion or garlic?
I have a severe peanut allergy. Please be careful in the kitchen.
Is the fish fresh or was it frozen? Do you have a halal or kosher menu? I don't eat red meat. What are my options? Could you double check with the chef about the ingredients? Is the dressing on the salad dairy-free? Do you use the same oil for meat and vegetables? Can you mark my dish so I know it's the allergen-free version? Part 5. During the meal. Excuse me, could I have some more bread, please? Could we have some extra napkins? This is absolutely delicious. Compliments to the chef. I'm sorry, but this isn't quite what I ordered. My food is a little cold. Could you warm it up? Could we have some more water, please? Excuse me, we're still waiting for our main courses. Could we have the ketchup and mustard, please? This steak is overdone. I asked for medium rare. Everything is wonderful. Thank you so much. I'd like to order another glass of wine, please. We're in a bit of a hurry. Could you bring the dessert menu now? Could I have a fork? I seem to have dropped mine. This is a wonderful restaurant. We'll definitely come back. Would you mind taking a photo of us? Part 6. Complaints and special requests. I'm afraid there's a mistake with my order. This dish tastes a little off. I think it may have gone bad. I found a hair in my food. Could you replace it? The portion size seems quite small for the price. Excuse me, could I speak with the manager? The music is a bit too loud. Is it possible to turn it down? We've been waiting for over an hour. What's happening? I specifically asked for no onions, but there are onions in my dish. It's rather cold in here. Is there any way to adjust the temperature? I'm sorry, but this wine tastes corked. Could you move the table next to us? They're being very loud. I appreciate your help in sorting this out. I appreciate your help in sorting this out. Would it be possible to get a doggy bag for the leftovers? Could you please clean the table before bringing dessert? Part 7. Paying the bill. Could we have the bill, please? Can we split the bill evenly between us? I'd like to pay separately from my meal. Do you accept credit cards? Is service charge included in the bill? I think there might be an error on the bill. This item appears twice. I'd like to pay by cash, please. Do you have a loyalty card or rewards program? Keep the change, and thank you for the excellent service. Can I have a receipt, please? We'd like to put it all on one bill, please. Could you itemize the bill so I can see each charge? I have a voucher. Do you accept these here? Part 8. Leaving and small talk. We had a wonderful evening. Thank you so much. The food was outstanding. We'll be back soon. Could you call us a taxi, please? Is there a coat check near the exit? We'll definitely leave you a 5-star review online. The atmosphere here is just lovely. Could you recommend any other good restaurants nearby? I think I left my scarf at the table. Could you check? Please pass on our compliments to the whole team. Good night. We hope to see you again very soon. And that's all 120 sentences. Amazing work for making it to the end. Remember, the key to improving your spoken English is consistency. Even just 10 minutes of shadowing every day can make a huge difference over time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow and reach more learners like you. Subscribe to Practice English Hub and hit the bell so you never miss a new lesson. We upload new shadowing videos every week, covering topics like shopping, travel, job interviews, and so much more. Drop a comment below and tell me, which part did you find most useful today? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing. You're doing great.